These are some original MGA Roadster seat covers, fully trimmed onto the seat frames. So you've got a pair of backrests obviously, and then a pair of cushions here. So this is the left hand seat, you can tell, because it's got the slope going in here for where the gearbox tunnel juts out. So this would be the driver's seat on a left-hand drive car or the passenger seat on a right-hand drive car. The cushions themselves are subtly handed and the backrests are also handed. You'll be able to see here that this takes a higher, wider line, whereas this one goes a bit narrower. That is so the hood frame can pass over it on the outside of the car. As you can see, these seats are a little bit worse for wear. But original spec, so leather faced, leather all on the police panel inside here, and then these elements on the top here are leather, but the inside edge here you can see it changes material with some top stitching. That would be vinyl leathercloth down there, and then the actual backs of the seats themselves, again vinyl leathercloth material. The cushions, you can tell that they're handed by this element here, this join here. Again, this material is the vinyl leathercloth, whereas this is leather going all the way out around the outside. Pleated panel pretty much falling apart. If we go to the underside here, you'll see the MGA frames, they had a bit of woodwork here, then this mesh grill here with some foam underneath, which is just disintegrating onto my CNC machine. Fully trimmed all the way around. It's got some tacking tape going around here to make the finish a bit neater. And then the opposite hand framework here, so you can see, if you look here, this cutaway here, that's for the gearbox, so this would be the right hand seat in the car. And as you can see, it darts down there to avoid the hood frame, and it's fatter up there. So we're going to be trimming these up for our customer. See your website for more details.